Making compost, the green gold of gardening. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of composting. Composting is not just a gardening activity, it's a sustainable practice that helps our environment. We'll explore what making compost means, how it benefits your garden, and why it's important for our planet. Composting is the process of recycling organic materials like kitchen scraps and yard waste into a rich soil amendment known as compost. It's a natural way of recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. By composting, you're essentially creating a nutrient-rich material that improves soil health, supports plant growth, and reduces waste. To make good compost, you need a balance of green and brown materials. Greens are nitrogen-rich materials like vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and grass clippings. Browns are carbon-rich and include things like dry leaves, straw, and cardboard. The key is to maintain a good balance between these two for effective composting. Composting involves four main components: organic matter, moisture, oxygen, and microbes. The process starts when microorganisms break down the organic matter. This generates heat, speeding up the decomposition process. Turning the compost pile adds oxygen, which is crucial for microbial activity. Composting has numerous benefits. It enriches the soil, helps retain moisture, suppresses plant diseases, and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Additionally, composting reduces landfill waste, lowers your carbon footprint, and supports a healthier environment. Here are some tips to get you started. Balance your greens and browns. Keep the pile moist, but not too wet. Turn your pile regularly to aerate it. Avoid composting meats, dairy, and diseased plants. I hope this video helps you understand the magic of making compost and inspires you to start your composting journey. Not only is it great for your garden, but it's a simple act with a big impact on our planet. Happy composting!